Question 1. How many Earths could fit inside the Sun? Answer B. 1.3 million. Question 2. How long can a tardigrade survive in space? Answer A. 10 days. Question 3. Which planet has sulfuric acid rain? Answer C. Venus. Question 4. How long is one day on Venus in Earth time? Answer B. 116 days. Question 5. Which body part continues to grow after you die? Answer C. Fingernails. Question 6. Which bird can fly for 10 months without landing? Answer A. Common swift. Question 7. How many bones do sharks have? Answer B. 0. Question 8. Which country invented tea? Answer C. China. Question 9. What is the capital of New Zealand? Answer B. Wellington. Last one. What would you rather? Comment "I love God" or reject the offer. Share your answer on the comments.